Hi guys, number 4 one brand tutorial, Kay Beauty. Should I add a bindi? So this is a very nice, oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the episode number 4 of the Navratri series and today's one brand tutorial. Can you guess? No, you can't, because today we are using Kay Beauty one brand tutorial. It is one of my favorite celebrity owned makeup brand because the quality of the products are really nice. So we are gonna just jump right into the video and I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. For the eyebrows I have this Microblading pen which is like super interesting. ऐसा मैंने कुछ शीग्ला में भी try किया था but ये थोड़ा सा different है. Let's just watch it. Okay, so इसमें से कुछ ऐसे strokes निकलते हैं, 3 lines निकलती हैं. Where's my mirror? So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows सबसे पहले today and then I will see कि eye look करें कि base करें. But let's do the eyebrows first. आज मैंने specially hairdo भी बनवाया है. Let me know what you guys think of this for today's look. So this is a very nice pigmented eyebrow pen. But only thing is कि इसको ना एक angle पे पकड़ के ही आपको 3 strokes मिलेंगे. Otherwise आप single strokes भी use कर सकते हो, which is I think nice, good for like if you want single brush hair strokes, and if you want 3 you can just twist the pen and do that. So I feel like you need a pencil, an eyebrow pencil before this. ये थोड़ा सा finishing touch के लिए है, just to add little hair stroke on the eyebrow, but fill करने के लिए it's not that good. Fill करने के लिए you need an eyebrow pencil or any other eyebrow product. So that is the eyebrows all done. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं किया है, सिर्फ fill ही किए हैं eyebrows हल्के हल्के से. Okay, so that's how my eyebrows are looking. They're looking very natural, not very bold, which I like. But as I said कि आपको इसके लिए थोड़ा सा base नहीं required है. But if you have bushy eyebrows or like you know सिर्फ आपको front पे थोड़े से tips बनाने हैं brush strokes के, hair strokes के, पता नहीं मैं hair strokes को brush strokes क्यों बोलती हूँ, कि आपको अगर hair stroke बनाने हैं तो आप ये वाली pencil try कर सकते हो, pen. Now I'm actually going to carve out my eyebrows using my favorite Kay Beauty concealer. This is such a nice creamy concealer. I really like it. इसकी coverage भी एकदम perfect है. This one is in the shade tan. ये shade थोड़ा सा मतलब it's like slightly dark, थोड़ा सा cool tone भी है. And I'm gonna prime my eyelids as well. So today's color is blue and we are of course going to add something blue in the makeup. But I'm thinking of doing a little smoky look today. Let's see. And I'm now going to blend that out. Okay, let's blend this out now. ये concealer बहुत ज़्यादा quickly blend होता है. It is like super easy, especially for beginners. Alright, so the eyelids are primed. I'm now going to quickly set it with the loose powder. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the eyes first, and I'm gonna use this contour palette. मैंने कोई eyeshadow palette नहीं मंगाई Kay Beauty की because I feel like उसमें सारे वही colors थे, मतलब neutral palette थी. तो I was like मुझे blue look create करना है, तो मैंने उसका blue eyeliner order किया और एक मेरे पास इसकी eyeshadow stick भी है. So we are gonna use this center shade. इसका ये वाला shade टूट गया था, पैसा बर्बाद, because ये मैंने गोवा लेकर गई थी. So गोवा में मेरे 2 प्रोडक्ट्स टूटे. वो कौन सा था वो? सिग्मा का हाइलाइटर which was like my favorite, and then this palette also. How unfortunate, but I'm just gonna add the center shade in my transition. You can see very easy. अभी तक आप 3 लुक्स देख चुके हो, उसमें सभी में हम ट्रांजिशन शेड यूज़ करते हैं, which just creates a very nice base for the eyeshadow. Alright, so this is the base all done. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा confused हूँ कि मुझे क्या आई लुक करना है. Now I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow stick which is like a black glitter. इसको पूरी तरह से नहीं अप्लाई करूँगी, बिल्कुल हल्का हल्का सा अप्लाई करेंगे because we have a blue eyeliner to try from Kay Beauty. So I'm just going to add. By the way, I love these eyeshadow sticks from Kay Beauty. They are like so nice and सिर्फ आपको 1-2 की ज़रूरत है and you'll be good to go. You don't need a full eyeshadow palette. I am now going to take a flat brush and blend this out. So it has this glitter particles in it which looks like a very pretty eyeshadow. I also had a rose gold shade in this variant and that is also very pretty. But I wanted something smoky today, so we are going in with this. और हम इसको पूरा dark में नहीं लेकर जाएंगे because we have to apply eyeliner as well. So super easy. So now once that is blended, what we will do next is we will take our blending brush again and take that contour shade and kind of like blend them together. And if you want, you can go back with the eyeshadow stick and just reapply the color. I'm gonna do the same on this eye as well. So just applying this, you just have to color your eyelid with this crayon sticks. Just make sure you're not going very like upwards towards the eyebrows. बिल्कुल eyelid पे रखकर, and then once we blend this out, वो अपने आप से थोड़ा सा shadow create हो जाएगा. This looks like this. And just very lightly blending this out, and then again taking the brush and just blending the both of the eyeshadows together. So if you want, you can leave your look here only. You don't need to apply eyeliner. Just go in with the mascara and you'll be good to go. But since I am playing with makeup, I will definitely apply a blue liner. Now this is a huge risk I'm taking for this look. I don't know if it's gonna look good or not, but I'll make it work. So this is the Kay Beauty Eye Stylist Liquid Liner. So this is the eyeliner. Oh, I love the shade. It's like very dark blue. Let's apply it on the eyes and see if it looks good or not. I haven't done a look like this ever before. So this is so pigmented and doesn't look that bad also. I love the color. It's like a ink blue. Looks like a ball pen, but on the eyes, very pretty. I'm not going to create a wing because that will, I think, look a little too much. So yeah, just going to line my eyelid. Oh, beautiful. The pigmentation on these eyeliners, like Kay Beauty is usually a brand जिसमें आपको natural products ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. It's not like, you know, too much color and all of that. जो colorful products भी है ना, they are also very like nice. But I really hope कि eyeliner dry, मतलब matte dry हो. I really don't like glossy eyeliners on my eyes. मुझे सिर्फ मैट आईलाइनर्स ही पसंद है लगाने. So this eye is tingling a little bit, the eyeliner. So this is how the liner looks like. What do you think of the eye look, guys? Should I add something more? Alright, so that is like very basic eye look, but we have done like something with the colors. So I'm gonna add a mascara and lashes and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, मेरा mic off था.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
इस टाइम पे we are gonna relax, calm down. So I've used this foundation. This is in the shade 120 yellow light and थोड़ा सा light है मेरी skin tone पे. मैं यही कह रही थी वीडियो में. And पता नहीं मैंने online shade proper नहीं देखा. But don't worry, I'm gonna make this work. Kay Beauty is all about natural beauty. By the way, मैंने eyes भी complete कर लिया. I'm not sure कि उसमें वो sound आया है कि नहीं.
शाबाश.
बट मैंने आई शेडो को थोड़ा सा ऊपर किया, आईब्रो से थोड़ा नीचे जहाँ पे मैं कट क्रीज करती हूँ, सो दैट इट एक्चुअली इज विजिबल. एंड आई एम यूजिंग द मार्स F01 ब्रश टू ब्लेंड आउट द फाउंडेशन. दिस इज अ वेरी लाइक लाइट टू मीडियम कवरेज फाउंडेशन. दिस इज नॉट इन एनी केस अ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन, विच आई एम नॉट मैड एट बिकॉज यू कैन यूज इट फॉर डेली ऑल्सो. एंड इफ दिस ऑक्सीडाइजेज इट्स गोना लुक ओके. अभी मैं थोड़ी सी पागल लग रही हूँ जरूर, बट इट इज ऑल गोना कम टुगेदर बिकॉज मेरा कंसीलर का शेड भी थोड़ा सा डार्क ही है. सो मैंने बहुत ही लाइट लेयर लिया है फाउंडेशन का अभी, बिकॉज आई एम फर्स्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई द कंसीलर and then maybe if we want we can take the foundation again to just mix both of them together, because you can see the concealer shade is really dark from the foundation as compared to the foundation, and it is cool toned also. So going to color correct. It actually color corrects and gives a little bit of coverage, but brightening नहीं देगा. तो उसके लिए हम use करेंगे, उसके लिए हम foundation का next layer use करेंगे. So but first I'm just going to dampen this beauty blender. So तब तक हम wait करेंगे concealer के लिए, थोड़ी सी coverage भी increase हो जाएगी इससे. Alright, so now let's just blend this out and see it just looks flawless under the eyes. The shade is a little off, but we're gonna like set everything in place using the foundation. Okay, so concealer is blended. I am going to take one pump just to brighten my face a little bit. One pump भी ज़्यादा हो गया, तो बाकी का हम neck पे apply कर लेंगे. Foundation, this is the first time I've tried this foundation today and it's beautiful. It has this glowy finish which I really like. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. So I'm using a brush to blend out my foundation today, which I don't usually do because I really want a nice coverage, because we have something like very dramatic dark going on the eyes. We want a little bit of the coverage on the face for that. Alright, so I love how my base is looking so far. It looks like very smooth, plain, like I have a filter on my face, and remind you, I haven't used any primer today, so that is also something new I've done. Now for the blush, I'm actually going to use this shade which I really like. This is the shade Dream Girl, and I'm just going to apply this on the back of my hand just like that. This is very bright coral shade. I'm going to use this as my blush, and now I'm going to take a clean brush and take it. This is very pigmented, so we have to be careful while using this, but it looks really pretty. The shade looks really pretty as a blush. I haven't tried Kay Beauty liquid cream blushes, but I've heard they are also very nice. Abhi hum bilkul light sa cream blush laga rahe hain because we also have their powder blush. Blush just makes the face look so uplifted and fresh. This is my favorite part of the makeup. Now I'm going to use a contour stick just to add a little dimension on the face. What the hell? Oh my god. Wow. मतलब ना हर मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल में मेरे साथ कुछ तो ऐसा होता है जो मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए. अभी हम इसको ऐसे ही यूज करेंगे. By the way, this is a really nice contour stick. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे ही ये बिहेव कर रही है. I'm going to add here. I'm so sorry for this bad view. ये निकल चुका है बाहर पूरा का पूरा. अभी इसके साथ मैं पता क्या करने वाली हूँ, इसको मेल्ट करके ना एक पैन में डाल दूंगी. वो क्रीम ब्लश वो बन जाएगा कॉन्टोर. इसका आपको YouTube शॉर्ट्स दिखाऊंगी अगर बनाऊंगी तो. Nose contour and a little bit on the forehead. Now I'm first of all going to put this back in its place and I'm going to clean my hands because it's all over it. हर वीडियो में मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसे ब्लूपर होता है. Let's blend this out. ये contour stick मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, but इसको थोड़ा सा blend करने के लिए ना you have to be it actually blended really fast. I forgot how beautiful this contour stick was. मैंने इसको बहुत टाइम से यूज़ नहीं किया था. The color is also perfect. We'll leave shade name on the screen. Beautiful. So you can see the difference. I just did some face surgery with this. Now for the nose, I'm actually going to use a different brush. So इसको blend करते करते ना साथ में आई शेडो के साथ I'm going to join this ताकि अलग सी दो lines ना लगे. Just like this because the eyeshadow shade is very similar. और अभी हमने थोड़ा सा bronzer shade भी apply करना है. I think it's gonna come together. That done. So I'm quickly going to now set my face using the Kay Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. I love this. I love this powder very much. So we're gonna take out some product. We're gonna use this setting powder from Kay Beauty in the shade Latte, and I'm gonna set my face in place, and then we're gonna just apply the powder products. So this is my favorite, like one of my favorite drugstore setting powders because it just blurs out your skin very nicely. And मेरा almost खत्म हो गया है. So I'm not baking with this, but just setting it all over the place, and then I'm gonna use this compact also to lock the face in place. Guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this hairstyle. This is very different. I haven't done something like this ever. Okay, so the face is set. I am now going to add a blush, and for the blush I have actually two shades. This is a very subtle shade. This is called Sweet Salmon. I really love Kay by Katrina's Kay Beauty's packaging, and this is in the shade Coral Charm. इसमें से एक blush तो टूटा हुआ है. Okay, so Coral Charm is like the सही है shade. ये वाला shade टूटा हुआ है तो हम ये मैं नहीं use करूँगी आज. Let me just show you. This is a beautiful shade. Beautiful, looks very pretty on brown skin. So I am going to use the shade Coral Charm on the cheeks, but before that I'm going to use the bronzer shade, just kind of add more color to the face. You can see it instantly just look so much better, and this one is perfectly pigmented also, blends out beautifully, literally like no effort whatsoever. So pretty. So that's the contour. Now it's the time for the blush. I'm going to use like very little bit. So the base looking so good so far. Alright, I'm going to take the same shade and add very little bit on my lower lash line. Not too much, very little bit, just to complete the eye look. So you just see, just puts the makeup like all together, and it looks very beautiful. Like, and if you want, you can add like very pigmented lower lash line as well, but I'm just keeping it very like faded and blended. Done. I'm just gonna add some mascara and on the lower lash line, and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so added the lower lash line mascara as well. For the highlighter, which is like my favorite part, the highlighter we have is Kay Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. I love this shade. I love this so much. It's like a beautiful highlighter. Nobody's talking about this highlighter anymore. जब starting में नए products आते हैं ना, everybody talks about it, then people like forget. Even I forget कि ऐसा कोई product था मेरी vanity में, because it's so good. I'm actually gonna use a Misho का brush to kind of like apply the highlighter today. Why not? Because I want a very subtle highlighter, and this is like so beautiful. If you want, you can like go heavy with this. Beautiful. This is like dream come true. This base is looking beautiful. Even the foundation shade worked out for me. Thank God. I was so nervous about अबाउट इट। आई वाज लाइक जब ब्रांड्स भेजते हैं तब तो गलत शेड होता ही है, बट इस बार मैंने ऑर्डर किया तो भी गलत शेड निकला। दिस इज बेसिकली द बेस, ओनली द लिप्स आर लेफ्ट। सो नेक्स्ट अप आई एम यूजिंग वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम के ब्यूटी जो मैं एक्चुअल में डेली में अप्लाई करती हूँ, दैट इज द लिप लाइनर। लुक कितना मैं यूज कर चुकी हूँ, ये आधा तो हो ही गया है। सो दिस वन शेड मैं आपको सारा कुछ दे दूंगी स्क्रीन पे। आई एम जस्ट गोना क्विकली ओवरलाइन माय लिप। लाइक लिप लाइनर्स इतना अंडररेटेड थे ना पहले, एंड नाउ इज बिकमिंग लाइक द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मेकअप स्टेप बिकॉज इट डज डिफाइन योर लिप्स, एंड इफ यू हैव थिन लिप्स आई थिंक यू शुड बी अप्लाइंग lip liners, like never skip them. And Kay Beauty lip liners are like perfectly pigmented and very smooth. See, I love the shade also. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Next up I'm gonna be using the shade Debut from Kay Beauty lipstick, and the shade is very beautiful. It's the nude brown shade, and applying it in the center. See, this perfectly matches with my transition shade. I'm not really happy with the lashes today because बहुत अजीब सी shape आ रही है lashes की, और let me see if I can fix that. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब shape आ रही है, पता नहीं क्यों। Happy with the lashes today, and of course we haven't really used any black liner, तो वो भी एक difference आ जाता है। All right guys, that is the full face of Kay Beauty all complete, and my hairdo I've done something with my hair today. I'm like so happy about it because हर look में मैं same ही almost करती थी पहले, but Navratri series made me like change a little bit, and I really like this hairdo. So yes, this is the final look for the full face of Kay Beauty. Just for a little review, I love the foundation. This is the first time I've used it, and my base is looking flawless. I'm not even kidding. And of course I love every other product from Kay Beauty. I really don't like, I'm not sure about the microblading pen, and yeah, I think I like it. I like overall look, but the base is my top most choice. I would love to wear this base again because it looked beautiful. I'm not sure about the eyes today, but should I add a bindi? I don't think so today. I'm not going to add a bindi, but yes guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and guess in the comments कि कल का look कौन सा brand tutorial होने वाला है, कौन सा one brand tutorial होने वाला है, and I will see you in my next video, that is tomorrow. Bye.